Excellencies, ladies, gentlemen, and dear friends, warm greetings from New Delhi, India. It is great pleasure to interact with you through the World Forum. During my association with the National Research and Development Corporation, I have interacted with Asia, Africa, and Europe quite a lot. I am glad that the World Forum gave me a wonderful opportunity to interact with South America. I must congratulate President Leonel Fernandez and the team of World Forum for this amazing initiative that is acting like a bridge which connects the world with South America and vice versa. Not to mention, it also covers a very important theme of our times, namely the fourth industrial revolution. Friends, the world is on the brink of a new all-encompassing revolution moving at exponential speed. We are witnessing the emergence of innovative technological trends such as artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, robotics, 3D printing, nanotechnology, and others with applications as diverse as the technologies themselves. The basic principles of Industry 4.0 are based on automation, flexibility, and interoperability. The sensors, cognitive systems, networks, communications, computation, storage, applications, and competitive business models are used to achieve these goals at a competitive cost. At the end of the day, the consumer wants a high efficiency product with a great feel and utility at a competitive cost. In simple words, Industry 4.0 is basically defined as smart, connected, digital, and physical technologies to drive business operations. These technologies have tremendous potential of industrial growth. The emergence of technologies based on Industry 4.0 principles helps in real-time communications between machine-machine over and above man-machine interactions. The complex products can be designed in a design lab, keeping in mind the optimum usage and can be communicated to machine directly for its production. In this environment, the workers, management, and machine work in predefined cyber physical environment. The fourth industrial revolution, Industry 4.0, was triggered by the high-tech innovations which brought the cyber physical systems together, that is smart machines capable of exchanging real-time information over the industrial Internet of Things for decision-making process. Industry 4.0 is the ambit of various modern technologies like cloud computing, IoT, artificial intelligence, big data science, 3D printing, 5G drones, communications, etc. All leveraged for the ability to enhance the productivity in the manufacturing processes. The impact of the technological revolution on economies and society is not preordained and can be shaped by policies at the local, national, and global levels. In order to optimally leverage the fourth industrial revolution for our collective progress and prosperity, we need governance frameworks, protocols, and policy systems that ensure inclusive and adequate benefits. Most importantly, we need to embrace the fact that technological evolutions exist in a social context and not just as a business case. In order to achieve this, we need to design normative and regulatory approaches to ensure that it is human-led and human-centered. Now I shall discuss technological interventions that will play a crucial role in the fourth industrial revolution. As part of Industry 4.0, the AI-defined robots in IoT are more flexible and can make decisions apart being machine and doing repetitive work. Now collaborative robots, that is cobots, are making on the spot decisions based on AI to make a product of high utility and flexibility and efficient in a factory environment. Augmented reality technology is a step ahead of the popular virtual reality technique, which combines the real world and the digital world to enhance its virtual world applicability. With tools like Google Glass, the information is overlaid on the user's field of view to allow him to gain more insight about the object they are looking at, like technical parameters, tolerance limits, etc. In the Industry 4.0 revolution, various cyber physical systems operate together and make corrective decisions on their own as to enhance productivity. A timely alert for human intervention is generated informing the predicted cause and likely maintenance required so as to ensure an uninterrupted machine availability. The logic of distributed processing for regular tasks with a centralized decision making using an analytics framework is extensively utilized here. The smart sensor information emanating from the cyber physical systems is processed on the cloud servers. In the cloud servers, the AI analytics comprising mathematical models run predictive algorithm to improve productivity and assist in guiding the process of manufacturing. The implementation of Industry 4.0 requires not only a horizontal factory to factory integration, but a vertical integration to connect the hierarchies of a production line. Overall, the intelligence of smart factory is achieved with the convergence of technologies or information processing as part of a digital ecosystem. Now it shall be very selfish on my part not to discuss and share the Indian perspective and achievements that are also acting as an inspiration for many other developing countries of the global south. In 2018, the World Economic Forum set up its Center for Fourth Industrial Revolution in India to work in collaboration with Government of India, the National Institute of Transforming India, Niti Aayog, as the designated nodal agency to interact with the World Economic Forum for elaborating the new policy frameworks for emerging technologies. The government of India has already made the enabling policy framework and set of incentives for infrastructure development on public-private partnership model. Samarth Udyog Bharat 4.0, smart advanced manufacturing and rapid transformation hubs under the Department of Heavy Industries, Ministry of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises is the India's initiative to push for Industry 4.0 implementation with an aim to propagate technological solutions to Indian manufacturing units by 2025 through steps like awareness programs, trainings, demo centers, etc. The Government of India initiatives such as Startup India and the Atal Innovation Mission and the emphasis on Together for All development all for all by embracing technological evolution within this philosophy for broad-based development will be a key driver of inclusive growth and progress. With one of the youngest labor forces in the world, a sizable technical aptitude, the second largest number of internet users on mobile device, and the second largest English speaking population, India is well positioned to enhance its global leadership in a post fourth industrial revolution era. We see a huge change in our traditional practices of production due to the application of emerging Industry 4.0 technologies, which allows large improvements in business, productivity, quality, and customer support that is otherwise difficult to achieve in traditional practices. It creates a level playing environment across industries of all sizes and types. Recent developments in select areas indicate that the benefits from such transformation will exceed the benefits that India has witnessed through decades of committed and sustained revolution in the fields of communication and highway infrastructure. The government regulations and policies have the potential to push the need for digital transformation through Industry 4.0. Attractive tax practices and incentives can drive people and industries to collectively achieve the objectives of the Make in India initiatives. Certain regulatory improvements in form of mandates like FASTag, GST, and other initiatives have contributed to the required momentum in this direction. As the Industry 4.0 promotes a continuous data flow across stakeholders, it results in increased planning and operational efficiency. To achieve these objectives, the ruralization distributed living approach of creating regional manufacturing hubs can lead to geographically dispersed production houses. Rural manufacturing generates a long-term, cost-effective and competitive local market. The current era of urbanization, concentrated living is comparable to that of a mainframe. It has served its purpose and was relevant in the past, and it's best to leave it there. Ruralization is the way forward for the sustainable economy, development, and lifestyle. Embracing Industry 4.0 is a bold first step and crucial enabler in achieving Make in India objectives. So, to conclude and sum it up all, I would say the advent of the fourth industrial revolution can help India leapfrog traditionally phases of development and accelerate its transition to a developed nation. Deploying these technologies optimally and strategically can create a potent mix of resources and infrastructure that can yield better quality, more sustainable growth. With more than 50% of its population under the age of 27, India's role is also going to be pivotal in shaping the global fourth industrial revolution agenda in a responsible, scalable, and inclusive manner. In addition to the above, many scientists, researchers have actively started working on Industry 5.0, which works on the principles of human co-working with AI-enabled robots. This works on the principle of mass personalization of products. In addition to the above, industries have started thinking about Industry 6.0, which focuses on providing virtualized anti-fragile manufacturing and services. At the end, I would like to thank the organizers, especially Mr. Mani Supriti, for giving me this opportunity to express my views in this August forum. Thank you once again.